Guys, look how beautiful the animals are grazing. Look at that one. Just bring it up. Look how beautiful he is. And this is in Carbrook, guys. This is off Skinner Park. How beautiful. You come do fishing, your waterfront, and look at the beautiful animals, guys. Don't you love these animals? Look at the boat ramp is there. How beautiful, guys. The animals are having a good time. They're enjoying the breeze. Winter is over. And look at the egresses. They have a very good relationship, guys. Look at all these farms, guys. How beautiful. Except it floods here, guys. So I'm not sure what happens to the cattle, because maybe 2 years back, all this was flooded. I wonder if they lost cattle here. Don't know the story, guys, but I know some of the school fields were inundated with water. Okay, guys, let's say goodbye. See you later.